This is problem 1 in standard 8FB5. We're still dealing with functions. Here we're going to describe qualitatively the relationship between two quantities shown in a graph. Is the function increasing, decreasing, or neither? Is the function linear or nonlinear? Okay, so let's look at the graph that we've got down here, and let's see if we can answer the questions that they've got for us. The function f of x, now I know we haven't talked about f of x, but this just means essentially y. The function is graphed below. Use the drop-down menus to select the correct response that makes the statements below true. Say the function is, let's see what our choices are. Let's pick our choices here. The function is either increasing, decreasing for values of x that are less than -3.5, and for values of x that are greater than 3. So let's look at the exact functions that they're talking about. X is less than 3.5. Here's our x-axis. Let's find 3.5. 3.5 would be right about here. So we're talking about anything that's less than that. We're talking about this part of the curve, right there, okay? As I'm going from here to here, see that part of the curve's going up. And for values where x is greater than 3. So let's go here on x is 3. Anything that's greater than 3. We're talking about this part of the curve. Notice as I go from left to right, from smallest number to greatest, this is going up and this is going up. So the functions here are increasing for those values. How about this? The function is blank for values of x where x is between -3.5 and 3. Let's get a different color and let's do that. Between -3.5 and 3. Here's x is -3.5. Here's x is 3. So we're talking about between those two. We're talking about this part of the line right here. Notice as I'm going from left to right, this is going down. This is decreasing. So the function is decreasing for values of x where it's between -3.5 and 3.